T.
Yes.
We keep running out of toilet paper.
I know, sweetheart. We're in a national emergency, a crisis right now, and everybody's panicking. So today, class, we're going to learn how to wipe your ass, okay? So, new rules, everyone. Listen up carefully. If you're going to make a number one, you use 1 square, okay? But if we're making a number 2, you get 2 squares. So, lesson number 1, take your toilet paper and wipe your ass. Fold it like so and wipe your ass. Fold it like so, flush it. Any questions on how to wipe your ass?
How do you wipe your ass?
Good morning, class. My name is Mrs. Lanage, and I'm so excited to be your teacher for this year. We're gonna get straight into attendance. If I mispronounce your name, just let me know and we'll fix it. Quarantina? Perfect, awesome. I miss outside or I miss my friends? Oh, I miss outside. Sweet. Rona? Awesome. Social? Perfect. I love your name, by the way. It is beautiful. Distance? Oh, it's distance. Awesome, thank you. COVID? Yeah, miss, that's me. It's actually my birthday today. Just turned 19. Can't wait to chug a Corona with the boys tonight. Oh, it's your birthday? Congratulations. Happy birthday, COVID. And finally, we actually have a foreign exchange student who's visiting from France. Again, sorry if I butcher your name, but toilette papier? Oui, toilette. I nailed it? Awesome. Welcome to Canada, toilette.
That's what happens when you shorter.
What is it?
What in fuck's name are you doing?
I asked you why you were late for school, and these were my favorite answers. Part 1. I had to walk my fish. Oh, I thought school was a 2019 trend. I had to mop the ocean. There was so much water. I wasn't late. I was just like super early for school tomorrow. Wait, it's Friday? I got into a fist fight with a snake, and my dog, he got married, so I had to attend his cousin's funeral. I got snapped out of existence by Thanos. It was so sad. My turtle started leaking, so I had to get it fixed. I passed out on the bus because the rat told me he was going on vacation. I was so sad because JoJo Siwa insisted on giving me a makeover and I look fabulous. Part 2 next.
Why do you always sit beside me in class?
I don't know. Ask Miss Cholesterol. She takes the rooster every day.
You diddly dum dum ding fling. It's Miss Collins and it's rooster, not roster. I mean it's roster, not rooster. You burnt hot pocket.
Be quiet and shut.
Alright class, when you have mo money, it means you have mo problems. And in JC's life, he had 99 problems, but a bitch was not one of them. Which means he had lots of money. And he didn't have a bitch because bitches ain't shit, but hoes and tricks. Why? Because tricks are for kids.
There are really only 4 ways teachers have handled online classes. Number 1 is the ghost. You haven't heard anything from this teacher since you went online other than maybe some vague emails, and now you're just responsible for teaching yourself the rest of the class. I guess they're just like done teaching. Up next we have the old teacher. Weirdly, these are the only people trying to keep their class the same, but they really have no idea how to use the internet, so everything's just falling apart. Up next, we have what I like to call the Grim Reapers. These are the teachers that thought this would be an excellent opportunity to just go for your neck and add like 37 daily assignments that you didn't have to do before. Fourth and finally, we have the Saints. I would like to personally thank you for canceling basically every assignment and making your class 1,000 times easier.
question.
Is it about this?
So, how are you TikTok famous? Like, I'm confused.
Well, I think it's probably because like I'm always really positive and I try to send like a good message and make people happy and I like to think.
No. Like I get that, but why would we watch you do the dances if we could just watch people like in a hype house do them? You know?
Yeah. And I mean, they are like better looking.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just because I'm a teacher.
Yeah, but like you only ever have like 2 people in your video, and there's like never anybody at any of the desks. So like, are you actually a real teacher?
There's not even boys. Okay. So what you're saying is like, if you wasn't a teacher and like you wasn't in a classroom and you wasn't wearing that hideous orange shirt, you gonna be TikTok famous?
I guess.
Okay, well, that's all I need to know.
Do you want to run an errand for me?
Yeah.
Thanks, sweetheart. Will you give this note to the teacher down at the end of the hallway?
Supersonic speed.
Yeah. Yes. My teacher told me to give this to you. Thanks, sweetheart. Let's see. What do we have here? Will you hold on just a moment? I want to send a note back. Here you go. Head right back to your teacher's class.
What is he wearing?
Learn about point vertex and using the vertex.
Mister, if you click your shoes together, would you disappear? Wait.
No, but I can make everybody else disappear.
What?
Hey class, nobody is leaving until the room is spotless. Girl, what you thought? I'm a student, not your maid.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom? I don't know. Can you walk? No. I can't walk.
Let's try words that end in O-N.
Prostitution.
What did you say?
Prostitution. What is prostitution?
What is prostitution? Let's say prostitution is when you work in the street and you get paid.
I want to do prostitution.
No. All right. Moving on to words that end in R-E, but let me just have a second here to think if nothing, there can't be. So shout out words that end in R-E.
Crack whore.
All right, girls, stop talking and get over here. Oh, I'm over here too. Oh yeah, I know. Oh, you know, because like you. No, I'm just gonna go.
I received the best email from one of my students a couple days ago, and I thought you all would enjoy. Before I share, I should say that I'm a 3rd grade teacher. Like, I teach 8 and 9-year-olds, okay? Hey kid, not Mrs. Kid, kid. Hey kid, what college should I go to? Don't you dare say this is too early. I think I want to go to UW-Madison, Wisconsin. Don't worry, I won't become a Packers fan. School bikes. You want a Zoom or something? I also have to add that I received this on the first day of summer, so not even during school. So this girl is definitely going places.
We have technology.
So one of my 2nd graders found one of my fake eyelashes laying on the table. It must have fell out of my pocketbook, and she was like, "What is this? It looks like an eyelash." And I was like, "Yeah, it's one of my old ones. Just throw it away." And she was like, "I knew my teeth were gonna fall out, but nobody told me about my eyelashes."
It's a time to assignment and wait a minute, it's not on you. I hear music. Where's that music coming from? What are you doing? What in the world?
Little dumb teacher, 2 + 2 not knowing what the is, bitch. Cross-eyed crying down your back, fat ass. Long titty, no nipple having. My friend was in the background, he was like, oh!
Alright, if you read your book in my class while I'm trying to teach you a different subject, I'm going to take your book and then I'm going to spoil it. So the last chapter, Armani, the moment Emily stood upright in the bowl, she felt a searing pain in her heart. She clutched at her chest and cried out in agony. This was it. Death. She was about to be burned alive. That's actually a real spoiler. So sorry, she dies. Hope you enjoy the book.
What's the answer for number 1?
1D. So the answer is 1D. One Direction.
Ooh, what? Ooh, gang, gang, what? Cardi, yeah, shit. What, a bitch, huh? Yeah, what? Yeah, what?
Alright, if you write notes in my class, I read them out loud. So sorry, Caleb. Hey, I just wanted to say you look really pretty today. Ooh. And I'm gonna say it. ... I love you, hearts. Don't write notes in my class, please. I'm trying to teach.
I cannot have a subordinate trying to make me look stupid, okay? I need you to promise me that you'll be on your best behavior.
I promised other people that I'd be on my worst behavior. And I gave my word, so.
Don't make me fire you.
You can't fire me.